Hello, my name is Arav. This is my school garden. I like to walk here. I see flowers and trees. Wow, this flower is beautiful. Look, birds are flying. This is my school. I come here every day.
Good morning, Arav.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down.
Okay, ma'am. How are you? I am fine. Can you help me? Yes, take this.
Please wash your hands.
I am washing my hands. Hurry up.
I am coming.
I am hungry. What do you have? I have rice and vegetables. Do you want some? Yes, please. Thank you. You are welcome. I like this food. I do not like spicy food. It is okay.
Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my lunch.
You can go and play.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's go to the swings. Race you there.
Have fun, dears!
Can I play with you? Yes, come and play. Kick the ball. Okay. Catch it. Are you okay? I am okay. Stand up. Thank you. We won! Good job. Let us play again. I am tired. Let us rest. I played with my friends. I am happy. This is my day at school.